What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to install the Finned spark plug cover bolts from NICECNC. Pretty nice products. I mean, I've been impressed with their bag. I'll put the link to the bag up here, and I got a couple other things that I got from them as well, but we'll just show you what we need. Let's get to the unboxing and the tools, and then we'll get to the install, and then I'll give you my little final review at the end. Let's get into the unboxing. All right, here's the box. Let's go ahead and see what's in there. Comes good packaged in the box. The product is wrapped up. Has a QR code to their Facebook page, NICECNC. Has their website, made in China. And it has the nice performance parts on it. And then it has the part number. Let's get into what it is. One part and the second part. That's pretty good bubble wrap on it. And it's wrapped up again. And there's the part. It is for the Milwaukee 8s. It covers the spark plug. Harley does sell these. They are 4 times as expensive. We'll go ahead and get to the tools that we're going to need to install this, but the machine quality is very impressive. So here they are, both unpackaged. Very impressed with the quality. I mean, definitely machined very well. And here's the tool you're going to need. It's just a 3/16 Allen. That's all you're going to need to install this. Let's go get to the bike and show you how it's installed. All right, make sure these screws are screwed all the way down so there's no pressure on there. Make sure they're screwed all the way down this way. And when you get them in there, these got these little rubber feet on there. You should make sure they get underneath, in between the fin and there to hold it to the actual fin itself. Okay, what you do, what I found to make it easier, is get the first fin pushed in with the tab up and then slide it over just a little bit this way, and then shove this one in to the between the fin and just slide it back until it doesn't go back any further. Make sure it's lined up, and now we just need to tighten it up. And just, I would rotate between each side just so it gets even pressure, and then give it a hold, and then crank it down just a little bit. You don't need to get them too tight. I mean, tight enough where it's not going to dent the fin. And it's in there sturdy. I mean, I'm pulling on it pretty hard. It ain't coming out. So, and there it is, installed. The only thing I will say, that just to give you a little FYI, if you can see it, this is the powder coated or roughed texture, and this is smooth. But it actually kind of blends in with the head. It's gloss black, and so is this. So it just kind of all blends in together. If you could get it in this material, that'd be kind of cool. I know they sell this in gold as well, and I'll put a picture right here what the gold looks like. But that's what it looks like installed. Let's go ahead and do the other side. Make sure these are all the way down. Put this side in first. Make sure it's wedged in there. Slide this over to get the other side in there. And just smoosh it back. Get it all lined up. Tighten down the screws a little bit to wedge it in, because that's all it's doing, is wedging it in between this fin and the base of where the spark plug is. And a ball Allen would help tremendously with this. And just remember to hold it in there while you're tightening it up. Well, that's what it looks like installed completely. Very impressed with the quality. Interested to see how well it holds up, but very impressed. I think it looks so much better. Just getting rid of that and showing that spark plug, or if you have any kind of rust on the cylinder head. But yeah, very impressed. Highly recommend them. You can't beat it for the price. We'll get into my little pros and cons at the end now. Well guys, that's how you install the NICECNC Finned bolt covers. Very good quality product. I got some pros and cons on the product. We'll get into the pros first and then we'll get into the cons. The first pro I like about it is clean. Makes the bike look nice and smooth, and it's definitely cheaper than Harley. Great product, great price. We'll put it there with that as well. Also, the next thing is how nice the machining is. The name fits the product, NICECNC. They made it on a CNC machine. It is very nice quality. You don't get to see the lines. There's a few here and there and the way the edging is, but the polish and finish, quality. Due time, we will see how it works, but I am very impressed with how the machining looks. It is nice CNC. We'll put it that way. We'll get into the cons. The biggest con that I have, and the one that I would make sure everybody is aware of, on the bottom there is 4 little rubber feet, and on the sides there's 1 on each side that hold it into the fins. Be careful with those because they do fall out. Just make sure they're not inside the bag when you pull it out before you put it in there. Make sure they're all in there. So like I said, 4 on the bottom, 1 on each side. The next con is I think they need an instruction manual. Some people may not understand how to put it in there, or not even see this video and just go, well, what do I do? So I would recommend an instructions, or just them link to my YouTube channel and I can show them this video and it'll help them out. Hopefully I can get a discount code. If I can, I'll put it down in the description and then y'all can use that. If I don't get one, I will make sure I put the link to the actual website so you can see all the products. They have all types of products for different types of bikes. You have a bike, check out their website. They may have something that would interest you. But I will do a long-term review at some point, but I'll put that on the Instagram page. Click little short or like a post or whatnot, letting you know what it is. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, the link's down below, and then I'll put the updated long-term review on that. Or if you ask me in the comments a year from now, I'll tell you on there as well, or I'll just link you to the Instagram page. But guys, that's it. Pretty good product. I'm very impressed with it. Highly recommend it. With that being said, guys, remember, ride something, ride safe, and we'll catch you on whatever I'm doing next. Later. Alright, here's what it looks like installed. Kind of a little overview of it. And then here's what it looks like with it not installed on the other cylinder. So you kind of see what the nice cleanup it does to make it look so much better. Definitely worth the money. Definitely looks so much better.